Good morning. So, wow, the sun is really bright. It's Monday morning. Spring is coming. I wear still a thick pullover. Mornings are really chilly, about 5 degrees Celsius plus. In the afternoon it's really nice. 25 degrees already. We have, I'm not sure if you can, no, I don't think so. There are still the mountains with snow on, but that's not the thing I want to tell you. I want to show you some things we did this weekend. Previous they were standing so narrow to each other. If they would bend forward in the bike and they would accidentally bend both together, they would bump each other almost in their bumps, and it was just too narrow. It gives irritation if they get so close standing working. So now we have much nicer space. The only thing is, what I really want to do is this summer to that's difficult. Well, paint the floor still. In order to get a little bit lighter, otherwise it gets so dark inside. And as you can see, the wires need to be organized still. Don't worry, we isolate all the wires. Don't forget to subscribe. 80% of the people are not subscribed, so it would be really nice if you subscribe. Hey, have fun. See you next time. Bye bye.